sometimes vectors are given to you, as I showed you, that looks like a point. Other times, they give you the magnitude, and they give you the direction, and you have to find the vector. Okay? All vectors have a horizontal, which is an x value, component, and a vertical component, which is a y value. This would be the horizontal component. This would be the vertical component. What did you say? It's not referring to a point. This is referring specifically to a vector. None of these are parentheses. These are all supposed to be pointy. They're vectors. Huh? Carrots, yeah. Okay, so if we want to know the horizontal and the vertical component, what we do is we take the magnitude and the direction. When I was talking before, we said x always goes with which? Sine, cosine, or tangent?
Tangent.
Cosine. X always goes with cosine. Vertical always goes with sine. So let's say they say a vector. A vector has a magnitude of 4 and a direction of 60 degrees. Find the horizontal and vertical components and the vector. So, what do we do in order to do this? The horizontal component is always the magnitude of the vector. So the magnitude, we'll say a vector v times the cosine of the angle. The vertical component is always the magnitude of v times sine of the vector. Cosine goes with the x value, sine goes with the y value. So it's always the magnitude times cosine of the angle and the magnitude times sine of the angle. So we're going to take the magnitude, which is 4, and multiply that cosine of 60 degrees. Does anyone know what cosine of 60 degrees is? Yep.
I have a question. What's that thing next to cosine theta?
Magnitude of the vector.
No, the up.
Same thing, magnitude of the vector.
1/5. What is that though? Is that a percent of mass?
No, it's a v.
Oh.
V with the line over it, and that's correct. 1/2 is cosine of 60.
Yeah.
So 4 times 1/2 is 2. When we say 4 sine of 60, that's 4 times root 3 over 2. I'm getting this from your chart, which would be 4 root 3 divided by 2. What happens to the 4 and the 2? They reduce to 2 root 3. So, the horizontal component, so I'll call it HC, is 2. The vertical component is 2 root 3. To find the vector, you just put them together. Horizontal comes first, 2. Vertical comes second, 2 root 3.